Hello students, in last video I have discussed the numerical related to chapter Gauss theorem and see here some rest numerical which is remained here. Question number 7 here. Assuming the hydrogen atom has a charge sphere of radius 10 to power minus 15 meter, compute the electric field at the surface of nucleus. जो हाइड्रोजन एटम है, हाइड्रोजन एटम that is 1H1, that means 1 atomic number. Atomic number is 1 here, that means nucleus has 1 proton. Clear? And you have to calculate electric field at the surface. Electric field at the surface of its nucleus. तो ये डिस्टेंस आपको दे रखी है, तो चार्ज इसमें जो हमारा वो 1.6 × 19. If there be another atom, अगर यहाँ पे दूसरा एटम कोई होता 740 या अदर थिंग, तो चार्ज की वैल्यू हमारी होती है वो क्या होती है, चेंज हो जाती है. क्योंकि न्यूक्लियस में जो चार्ज होगा हमारा, वो जितना प्रोटॉन पे हो, जितने नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन होंगे उनको मल्टीप्लाई करके हम फाइंड आउट करते हैं. दिस इज क्यू हियर. नाउ यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट डेंसिटी, दैट इज 1/4 pi epsilon naught q upon r square, that is 9 × 10⁹, and q that is 1.6 × 19, and this is distance 10⁻⁻15 of whole square. On solving, you get the answer. Okay. Now see here another vehicle. Question number 10. Question number 10. That is given an infinite line of charge of electric field. An infinite line of charge produces an electric field of 4.5 × 10⁴. This is your charge line. Plus in this way. Clear? You have to calculate, and it produces an electric field that is 4.5 × 10⁴ Newton per Coulomb. Question says, find the linear charge density at a distance of, this is the distance that is 2 cm. 2 cm distance पे जो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस हुआ है इस इन्फिनाइट चार्ज लेंथ के द्वारा, दैट इज 4.5 × 10⁴ न्यूटन पर कूलम्ब. क्लियर? यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट लीनियर चार्ज डेंसिटी, दैट मींस लैम्डा you have to calculate. So you know intensity of electric field due to infinite charge length, that is E is equal to λ/2 pi epsilon 0 r. Clear? To solve the numerical, you revise the formula, or you can write another way, that is 2 λ/4 pi epsilon 0 r. Because 1/4 pi epsilon 0 value is 9 × 10⁹, so you can write 9 × 10⁹ into 2 λ/r. So in solving the numerical, you apply this formula, except this one. You apply this formula, E is equal to 9 × 10⁹, 2 λ/r. So here E is 4.5 × 10⁴, 9 × 10⁹, that is 2 × λ upon, this is 2 × 10⁻⁻². This 2 and 2 cancel out, so you can calculate the value of lambda, that is 4.5 × 10⁴, 10⁻⁻² upon 9 × 10⁹. This is 0.5. So 0.5 × 10⁻11. Sorry, -7. Because 9 × 11 or you can write 5 × 10⁻⁸ Coulomb per meter. So this is the linear charge density. Linear charge density you can calculate. In question, this is given in meter, so forget it, no problem. If this is given in meter, so 2 power becomes less here. So your answer is 5 to the power minus 6. Okay. Now see another numerical here. Two metallic plates, two large thin plates. Metallic plates are parallel and close to each other. The plates have surface charge densities of opposite sign, have magnitude 1.77 into 10 power minus 11 coulomb per meter square. What is the intensity of electric field between the plates? Suppose these are two plates. One has positive charge and one has negative charge, and surface charge density that is given 1.77 into 10 to power minus 11 coulomb per meter square. This is positive and this is negative here. Minus 1.77 10 to power minus 11 coulomb per meter square. You have to calculate intensity of electric field in between the plates. You know intensity of electric field due to a single plate, that is E is equal to sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. Since both plates have opposite sign, so if you take a point here, clear, at this point due to this place intensity of electric field will be in this direction, and due to negative plate intensity of electric field that is also be in this direction. So in between the plates intensity of electric field will be E1 plus E2. So that is sigma upon 2 epsilon naught plus sigma upon 2 epsilon naught, because both the plates have the same charge, surface charge density. So this becomes sigma upon epsilon naught E equal to. So sigma is given and epsilon you know, that is 1.77 into 10 to the power minus 11 upon 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12. You get the intensity of electric field. See, one thing important here, if both plates have same charge. If both plates have same charge, that means this is positive, this is positive. So intensity of electric field between the plates becomes 0. In दोनों के बीच में intensity of electric field क्या होगी? 0 होगी, because if you take a point here, intensity of electric field due to this plate in this direction and due to this plate will be in this direction. Since both the plates have the same surface charge density, so intensity of electric field in between the plates will be 0. Clear? But if the plates have opposite sign, then there will be a electric field. Due to these combination, यानी कि अगर प्लेट्स हमारी सेम चार्ज अगर रख रही हैं, सेम सरफेस चार्ज डेंसिटी है, so intensity of electric field will be outside. यानी बाहर आपकी intensity of electric field निकलेगी, but in between the plate intensity of electric field will be 0. Now see some other question here. That is how to balance a charge particle in electric field. Suppose this is your charge drop, its weight acted in downward direction, and if you want to balance this charge drop in electric field without holding it, आपको नहीं पकड़ना है, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड में क्या करना है, इसको बैलेंस करना है. So since this is a charge particle, so if you apply electric field here, so this force should be in this direction, in this position, this drop will be balanced. Okay, if whatever the weight of drop equal to force, electric force is if acted in opposite direction, जितना इसका वेट है उसकी अपोजिट होगा, उतना ही इलेक्ट्रिक फोर्स अगर काम कर रहा है तो ये चार्ज अब हमारी क्या होगी, बैलेंस होगी. सो इफ द चार्ज हैज पॉजिटिव चार्ज, सो द डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फोर्स विल बी इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. इफ the charge has negative charge, so direction of electric field will be in this direction, because these two are defined. ये दोनों चीज तो ऐसे ही रहेगी, केवल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड की डायरेक्शन क्या होगी, चेंज होगी अकॉर्डिंग टू नेचर ऑफ चार्ज. नेचर चार्ज का जो नेचर होगा उसके हिसाब से इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड की डायरेक्शन चेंज होगी, बट द डायरेक्शन ऑफ Fe and Md डज नॉट चेंज. सो इन बैलेंस कंडीशन Fe is equal to mg, and Fe is what, that is E into Q, that is M into G. So you can calculate the value of E here, that is mg upon q. Some similar question regarding this topic, that is find the magnitude and direction of electric field. Question says find magnitude and direction of electric field which can balance a water drop of radius 10 to power minus 5 centimeter carrying a charge of an electron. मतलब उस पे जो चार्ज है वो एक इलेक्ट्रॉन के बराबर है. द डेंसिटी ऑफ वाटर दे रखी है और जी दे रखा है. क्लियर? रेडियस और डेंसिटी जब दे रखी है इसका मतलब मास नहीं दिया है ड्रॉप का. तो मास के प्लेस पे अगर मास नहीं दिया है तो मास के प्लेस पे क्या होगा, वॉल्यूम इनटू डेंसिटी होगा और वॉल्यूम के साथ क्या होगा 4/3 पाई आर क्यूब इनटू रो. सो यूज द फार्मूला दैट इज E इनटू Q दैट इज 4/3 पाई आर क्यूब रो इनटू G. G is given, rho is given, R is given, and Q that is 1 electron charge, and you have to calculate intensity of electric field. So this is the method how to balance the electric charge object in the electric field. Okay, thank you.